Hey guys, what's up? My name's Seth. This is Navigating Minimalism. And today, I'm by myself. Meghan is working. My parents were supposed to be in this weekend, but I'll share that story with you later. And we are on the beautiful island of Siesta Key, right outside of Sarasota, Florida. We're actually here at one of my all-time favorite Airbnbs. We're gonna take a tour, and I'm gonna show you why, if you come to Siesta Key, you should stay here. So, other than the location of where this Airbnb sits, one of the things that I love the most about this place is just how easily accessible everything is. And I'm not just talking about the beach or the restaurants, which is only like a 3 to 5 minute walk. I'm talking about being able to get into the Airbnb. The host, who is absolutely incredible, has everything fully digitized, like everything. So you'll get a code before you come here. You put the code in and it unlocks the door. Front and back, code's exactly the same for the duration of your stay, and it changes from guest to guest. So you don't have to worry about someone else just popping by. So let's put the code in and let's go in. I mean, just at first glance, looking at the kitchen here, looking at the beautiful screened-in lanai, how beautiful is this place? So this is a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom condo. It is connected to a few others, and 3 doors down you have a year-round heated pool. Now, one of my ultimate favorite things about this Airbnb is just how clean it is. If you've watched any of our other videos, you know that we are staying for 3 months in an Airbnb in Bradenton. For the next couple years, that's how we're gonna live. So my biggest pet peeve with a lot of Airbnbs is they're not the cleanest. They're not the most updated Airbnbs. This Airbnb you walk into, the furniture is clean. I can still see the marks on the furniture where it was vacuumed, cleaned. There's not any dirt on the floor. The lanai is super clean. Like I said, the biggest problem I have is when you walk around and stuff sticks to your feet. I hate that. And that's not here. At this Airbnb, every time we've been here, it's been immaculate. You know, aside from just how clean everything is in here, everything is updated. You know, you have an amazing TV. The stove, the stove looks brand new. The dishwasher looks brand new. The coffee maker is clean. The toaster is clean. That's huge. The toaster is actually clean inside. The refrigerator looks brand new. It's got a washer and a dryer inside. The Airbnb that we're living in for 3 months doesn't even have that. You have to walk all the way to the other end of the complex and use shared washer and dryers. Now, that's not the end of the world, but that just goes to show how amazing this Airbnb really is. You know, the lanai you look to the road, but it's a very low trafficked road. I mean, I see a white fence and I see a bunch of palm trees, and I just watched a family ride their golf cart by. So it's super relaxing. It's super peaceful here. Let's look at the rest of it. Okay, this bathroom is absolutely a 10 out of 10. You know, Megan and I stay in a lot of Airbnbs. We're currently living in one for 3 months, and we'll move to another one for another 3 months. The hardest thing that I've had to come to terms with is using the bathrooms, whether it be showering, using the restroom, using the sink, getting ready, brushing your teeth. That has been the hardest thing for me, especially someone with OCD. And I always feel like in any bathroom I go to, I don't want to use the sink or the water to brush my teeth. I don't know why. It makes me feel gross. I don't like it. I would rather use a bottle of water. This bathroom, I feel comfortable in here. I can put my hands on the counter and not feel like I immediately have to go wash my hands. And that's what a lot of bathrooms give me, especially in Airbnbs, but you don't get that here. The towels are perfectly folded. They feel soft, they feel new. The toilet's clean. The shower curtain and the liner are both new. There's no stains inside the shower. It's perfectly cleaned, it's perfectly polished. The mirror is clean, there's no stains on the mirror. The chrome is polished. No hard water buildup anywhere in the bathroom. The rugs look like they've been shampooed. And even the grout is clean. This bathroom is immaculate. Every time we come here, I just feel comfortable in here. I feel like this is my home bathroom. And I can't say anything better for a Airbnb or hotel than when they have clean bathrooms. But let's look at the rest of the house. So my guess would be that this is the master bedroom. I'm seriously just at a loss for words. Every time we come to this place, like I said, it's super clean. Everything is updated. The bed is so nice. I really, really wish that we could have booked this place for 3 months instead of the other place we're staying in, because that bed is awful. This bed is so comfortable. The pillows are comfortable. The sheets are like brand new. They're so comfortable. You can kind of get like a hint of like the fabric sheets or fabric softener they've used to clean them. The pillows are comfortable. And one thing that is an absolute must, and it may just be me, but I'm sure it's not, is having a fan that works. There's nothing worse than going into a place and having a fan that doesn't provide enough air. And watch this thing. Within like 2 seconds, we've got air. It's not loud. It doesn't feel like it's gonna fly out of the ceiling. And it provides just this constant breeze. And one thing, and those of you who love fans, I know you're gonna like this. Where I'm sitting now, if I'm watching TV, I'm watching a movie, whatever, it's not blowing on my face. It's not drying my eyes out.
It's not drying my nasal passages out. I feel like I'm dying. It's comfortable. I can feel it along my body, but not on my face. And that is one of the biggest things that I love that people do, is put good quality fans in their bedrooms.
So bedroom number 2. This is a smaller bedroom. This would be great for kids. It would be great for, you know, a single individual, a teenager. You know, you could even fit another family in here. This bed is big enough and manageable enough that 2 people could easily sleep in this bed, 2 full-size adults. Again, it is so comfortable. Just everything about these beds. I don't know what mattresses they use. I'm not going to tear their beds apart to find out. They're comfortable. The pillows are comfortable. We've got the same great fan. We've got a TV. We've got another fan. We've got a full-size mirror. You know, I've got a little dresser over here. There's plenty of outlets. Another big thing for me is outlets. I'm always charging my camera gear, my drone, my GoPro, my laptop, my phone, my AirPods, everything. I charge everything. You have to. And when you live in places like the one we're in now that has like 0 plug-ins, you have to take turns, and that's so inefficient. This place has so many. I'm looking at 1, 2, 3, 4 just right here. And each one has 2 plug-ins. It's amazing. So this is at the back of the Airbnb. It's got, again, another digital lock. I can unlock it, and it brings me out to a back parking lot. So you may be asking yourself, why am I reviewing this Airbnb? It's kind of random. We're living in one. We're doing a lot of travel, touristy type things. Why review an Airbnb? Well, every time we've come to Siesta Key, this is where we've stayed. And it's super easy. You know, the location of this place is just outstanding. You're a 5-minute walk from Siesta Key Beach. You're a 5-minute walk to some of the best restaurants on Siesta Key. If you've ever been here, the Siesta Key Oyster Bar, or SKOB, is one of the absolute best places. I still get texts from Florin, if you saw our last video down here, that he's thinking about the lobster tacos at the Siesta Key Oyster Bar. You know, SKOB is just amazing. If you want ice cream or gelato or coffee, it's literally just a 5-minute walk. And the island is so beautiful. You know, when you're here, you just get this fresh air. Everything on the island is so lush and green, and you get that little hint of saltiness in the air. And it's paradise here. My parents were actually supposed to come in this week and stay here. My dad, however, has some significant health problems and was exposed to COVID. So that canceled their flight, it canceled their trip, and unfortunately they weren't able to come stay in this amazing place. They'll plan a trip at a later date. Maybe they'll get to Florida, maybe they'll get to wherever we're going to next. Now that I've completely bummed everybody out, I want to just tell you that I highly recommend that if you come to Siesta Key, or better yet, when you come to Siesta Key, the #1 beach in the United States, stay here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to link a link to Airbnb down below. If you follow that link and you create a free account, you can get $65 off of your stay right now. This place currently goes for $178 a night, and I can tell you, That is extremely fair. Siesta Key is expensive, and the area of Sarasota and Bradenton, you know, they are expensive places. And so for what you get here, the quality, the location, everything about this place, it is well worth $178. And you know, we stayed here last time for about a week, and we love this Airbnb. I don't recommend a lot of Airbnbs, but this is absolutely one of the best that I've stayed in. So if you like today's video, make sure to use that link down below. Sign up for your free Airbnb account. Get $65 off of your next stay, whether it be here or it be somewhere else. You still get that money. You help us out as well. It's an affiliate link. Like the video, comment down below if you've been to Siesta Key. Even better yet, comment down below if you've ever stayed here or if you're planning to stay here. This would be a great place to get away during the winter, to get away, you know, on summer vacation. Spring break is coming up. Plan your stay here now because this place books up fast. It's absolutely one of the best places to stay on Siesta Key. Thanks for watching.